Hey everyone, this is a research article on peripheral neuropathy, and in it they're looking at early detection of peripheral neuropathy can help prevent complications. What would those complications be? That would be ulceration and amputation from gangrene. So it is a big deal. And particularly in this case study, well, the primary research article that I was looking at, there's a high incidence that they're finding of this in England, as of course diabetes is coming to epidemic proportions. And why would that be? It's because of the Western diet. So what we have here is talking about different instruments that can be used for early detection. Early detection is important, but it's also important to detect where the root problem is. And what happens is when I talk to people, they say, well, I have a good diet. If you're having problems with diabetes itself and neuropathy, something needs to change there on diet and exercise. But diet is the primary thing. It's the fuel. So it's the blood flow, blood quality is the fuel, and the exercise necessary to pump the blood right around the body. So of course, if we're not pumping the blood around the body, it's not going to work well down in the toe area, is it? Or it's not going to work well back up to the heart, or more importantly, up to the brain. So in looking at some other articles associated with this, it said that perhaps if we use different assessments together, that we get an accurate picture. And I've placed in here also the importance of what I've used or started to use here is the infrared camera, so we can get an idea on circulation down in the lower limb, in the toe area. And of course we get a good idea because we're seeing quite a few different people. And for some people we're getting nice coloration that's continuous right across the foot, and other people it's very discoloured, or we're getting those pink and blue shades down in the ends of the toes. So this is not a very good thing. However, also in one of the articles here, it gives us an idea of the very cause of the problem, and that's to do with the nitric oxide, to do with the endothelial cells, and that provides a good blood flow, so it's not sticky, so there can be the movement of the blood in and out, or the blood vessels, so it's moving, because there's continuous movement of the blood vessels, which helps to pump the blood around. Well, if that's not happening, then this is not going to help as far as how the nerves are going to function. So I hope this article might be of some benefit, but I want you to take away what it always will boil back down to, and that is about blood flow and blood quality. And what would block that quality, the signals in the body, is to do with fats and oils. Free fats and oils, as they say. So a free fat and oil is a processed oil, whereas if we have the oils and fats which are necessary, which the body needs, as we get it in the olive, you can have that with every meal, as you get it in the avocado, no problem. But as we process it, so people say, look, I have olive oil butter, it's a problem. It's when you get it back to simplicity in its natural form, that's the only time have they shown by pictures, by a testimony, that the problem has been reversed. If there's a problem in one area with the nerves, then there can be a problem in another area. If there's a problem with circulation down in the feet, there can be a problem, a high percentage of chance that there'll be a problem in with the heart and also with the brain, and that's who we are. That's one of the most important things. So early detection of a problem like this might also mean that it saves, and getting the right answer might also save who you are. So I hope that helps you a little bit. A lot of technical jargon goes on with research articles, but I've tried to make it simple, and you can just click on the arrow there and just blow it up so you can read what's being said there a little bit closer, see it in greater detail.